Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to save, compile and run Java program with notepad and CMD. Okay, so let us start. Okay, let us first see the steps which we are going to follow in this today's video. So here we are going to see how to save, compile, run the Java program which you are writing in the notepad and you are going to run through CMD. Okay, so there are two ways in which we can save the file. First, either you write the program on the notepad and save directly in the Java folder, bin folder. Okay, bin folder of your Java folder. Then second way when you are going to use is you're going to write the program on the notepad and you're going to save the program in other folder, not in Java folder. Okay, so these are two different ways. One is in the Java folder and another is out of the Java folder. So today we are going to concentrate on how to save the folder in Java, save the program in Java folder and compile and run. Okay, then to compile the program after running you have to go to the CMD, you have to set the path, and then to compile we have to use Java C. C stands for compiling, so Java C, then the file name. A tip to be considered over here, that your file name in Java should always be the class name you are using. Okay, so file name dot java, this is to compile. Then if while compiling, if there is any error, it will show you the error. You have to go back to the notepad, make the changes, come back to the CMD, and again you have to compile. Please see that whenever you make the change in the notepad, you save it and come and compile it back. Do not directly run it. Compile, then run it. Okay, and to run the file we have Java and the file name, the same file name but without the extension. You don't need the extension, just Java and the file name. Okay, so let us start. So first we are going to write a basic program. My aim is to show you how to run and save and compile the file. So I have taken a very basic program. I have already written a basic program, that is a header file, the class, then the main method, and then just a printing statement, that is welcome to the world of Java. Okay, so as you can see, my class name is example. I have already saved this, so I want to show you how to save. So I'm changing the name of that file. Let us say my file name is class example1. So how I'm going to save it, I'll go into the file, then I'll have to save as. Now when I say that I want to save it, just example, when I'm saying I want to save it in the Java bin folder, so I'll have to search where is my Java bin folder. So you can see already I am in C drive. In C drive you can see this Java folder. This is the folder which we can download directly through the internet, and you can save it in the C drive. It has all the library files, all the required files which you need to run the program. So you have to go in C drive. My Java is in C drive. In case your Java folder is in D drive, E drive, wherever that folder is, you have to go over there. Most of the time it will always be in C drive. So go to the Java folder, double click, then I have JDK 1.8, I have JDK 1.7, I am using JDK 1.8. Whichever you have, you can just select that. You can see this bin, select that bin. So I want to save my this notepad program in Java JDK bin. Okay, just give the name. I'll just give the name. The name is EX. Can please pay attention, it should be the same name as your class name. So example 1 is my class name dot the extension to say that I am creating a Java file. Okay, just giving example 1 dot Java, just because my class name is example 1. Then I can just save it. Okay, it's very simple. Just go to the file, save as, go into C drive, Java, JDK, bin, give the name and just save. Clear? Whatever name you are giving the same name as your class name with .java as the extension. Okay, we have done, we have saved this. Okay, I have saved this program. So now my one part, that is saving the file, is already done in the bin folder. We are doing the first type, we are not following the second type, we are doing it with the first type. Okay, clear? Now we have already saved. Now it is time to compile. Now to compile, we need to go into CMD. For compiling, we should go into CMD. So let us go in CMD. So I'll type. Okay, can you see I am in CMD? Okay, so you can see now at present I am user, under user I am in staff in C drive. So I have to go where? I have to go into the extension, into the path where my Java is present. So I have to go over there. So how I'll go? I'll go in C drive. I'll go in C drive. I'll go in Java. I'll go in JDK. I'll go in bin, and I'll just copy this path. Okay, because I want to come into this area, come into this folder, I'll just go over there in the folder. I'll copy the path. I'll just copy the path. Just copy the path. Then go to CMD back. Now from this user staff, I have to go to this bin area. So I'll just type CD. CD is for changing the directory. And whatever path I had copied, I'll just paste that path. Okay. This is the path where my file, my notepad program is saved in this bin. So I have to go into that folder. That is the reason I am going into the folder. Actually now at present I am in user and staff. My CMD is in user and staff. I'll have to go to this folder. So what I did, I'll show you again. I went to Java, I went to JDK, I went to bin. I just copied the path, went back to CMD, just typed CD. CD is to change directory, and paste the path and just enter. Now you can see initially I was in user and staff. Now I am gone in java-jdk-bin. Now I am in that folder where my program is existing. You can see my program is existing over here. So I am in this path now. Okay. Now let us try. So next step is to compile, and to compile we have to go for javac file name dot java. So I'm going to go for java, okay, java c. This is very important. Java c is for compiling. Java c file name. My file name was example1. So example1 dot java. As I enter, if there are errors, it will show it over here. If there are no errors, it will directly come back to the folder position. So there is no error in my program. That is the reason there is no steps they have shown, no errors they have shown. Now I am ready to run. So after compiling, you can see I can run, and to run the program I have Java file name. So what I can do is, to run the program I can write Java example1, and no extension needed, .java is not needed, just enter. If you can see, after entering I got the output, welcome to the world of Java. If you can see the program, I wanted to print this, welcome to the world of Java. So the same is been printed over here as soon as I run the file. Okay, so this is one way in which you can save the file inside java-jdk-bin and just come to CMD, go to the path by copy pasting and putting CD, compile the program, run the program, you will get the output. Suppose if my program has an error, let us say my program has some error. Let us try. I'm just saving it, going back. Let us compile it once again. You can see initially it was not showing error, now it is showing error because I have purposely made some errors so that you can understand. So I can see here there is an error. There are two errors, one is over here, one is over here. So now if there are errors, what you have to do, you have to go back to the notepad, make the changes. So it is dot semicolon, here also we need semicolon, and save it. Do not save as, just save it. After saving, go back to the folder. See, already I am in this folder. If you are not, then you have to copy again, but already I am in the folder, so I have to just compile. But if you are not in the folder, you have to go back by doing cd. Okay, so now say I have compiled. See, now there is no error because I have made the changes. But if I wouldn't have compiled, I directly would have run, then it would have shown again the errors. But I have to compile. If I make the changes, I have to come back and I have to compile. Do not run directly. Then I can run the program. Java example 1. See, again it is showing welcome to the world of Java. Clear? Yes? Okay, so this is how we are going to save the Java program in the bin, then compile it through CMD and run. Okay, so we have already seen how to save the file in Java bin folder. Now we'll see the other way, that is the second way. A folder we are saving in other folder than Java. Okay, I'll take the same example. Let's take the same example, and instead of Java bin, I'll go save as, I'll go in documents. Okay, and I'll create one folder, let's say Java program. Okay, and I'll double click it and I'll save it, example1.java. Or if you want to change the name, class name, you can change the class name and you can save it. Okay, save as, save. Now I've saved it in document. I'll go back to the folder. I'll go back to the folder where I'll go in documents. I'll go in Java programs and copy. I'll copy this path. Why? Because my Java file is in this folder. Now I'm not saving it in Java, I'm saving it over here. So go over here, cd control. Okay, now you can see I am gone in documents Java program, but my Java file is in some other place. So if I try to run from here, it won't run the Java program. So I have to set the path. So I'll set path equals to colon. Now here I have to paste the Java extension. Okay, so how I'll do it, I'll just go in the folder, I'll go in C drive, go in java-jdk-bin, just copy this path, go over here, paste. Now if you can see, what I have done is I am still in my document folder where my program is there, but to run that program I have to refer the bin folder. I am not saving it in the bin folder, I have saved the program in some other folder, that is Java programs. I am just referring it to run, so enter. Now see, I am still in the same folder, okay, but I have referred. So again compile Java C example1.java. You can see there is no error. Now you can run Java example1, enter. See, this is how it is going to be saved by using other folder. So when you are using other folder, you have to go to that folder and you have to set the path of the Java files. Whereas in earlier case, you can directly set the path and you can run. Okay, I hope you understood it. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you.